Hello friends, this is Ingrid Maxwell. We are angry, we are disappointed, we are victimized by the justice system. We are tired of it, enough is enough. I myself was victimized by the justice system as a Canadian living in the US. So here I wrote a poem called We the People. When we say we the people, what does it really mean? One's creed, moral, color, language, origin, or religion, or the class you think black people belong in. We the people, a term that has been misused by politicians, lawmakers, police officers who abuse the blood and tears on their hands, families torn apart, loss of loved ones, separation on this land. We the people, the cruelty that man has towards each other, judging another man's life to live based on his skin color. Justice for all really means no justice at all. A crooked system strategically put in place for population control and to eradicate the minority race, keeping some mentally enslaved and locked down and camped by prejudices around various towns. Upper class blacks forced to deny their kind, acting as if they're better than those they left behind. Soon to realize they're black no matter what. Color of fair like a dagger stab them in their gut. From those politicians who pretend that they're friends but really not. We the people, do we know the real meaning? Day-to-day news media has defined what it's like living. A young man's life cut short as he attempts to run. Feet fail too slow as he got caught by the police's gun. When those in authority fail to protect the innocent, blaming society for their failure and its citizens. What is wrong with our society? I'm even questioning our democracy. Rich and those in power seems to have their own laws, while the poor suffers great injustices due to its flaws. Instead, we the people should unite and stand strong, overcoming the lies, stop the brutality, the mental fight, and become one. We the people, the power we can and possess when great minds and cultures come together. Peace resurrects.